Hello everyone, how are you all? Tomorrow is going to be a special day for everyone. We are celebrating both Diwali and Children's Day in the same day. So I thought it would be a best opportunity to launch our Kids Corner. In this video, I'm here with a unique recipe that even your kids enjoy making. It's mini pizza puffs. The pizza base that we use here is without any yeast. So this make our recipe a quick and easy one. Make this Children's Day a memorable one by involving your kids in making this recipe. It will be a fun activity for them. Today my eldest son Krish will be my sous chef. Okay, so let's start making pizza. Where is Krish? 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 Where are you? Krish? Oh, there you are! Are you ready to make some pizza?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. First, we will make our easy pizza dough. For that, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour into the bowl. Then add 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Since we are not using yeast in this recipe, the baking powder helps the pizza crust to rise when baking. Finally, a teaspoon of salt. Mix these ingredients together. You need to mix our dry ingredients thoroughly so that our baking powder and salt get evenly distributed to the flour. Once combined, we're gonna add in our wet ingredients. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of water. Now the water I use is normal one. It need not be warm since we are not using any yeast. To that I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Give that a quick mix. Now why we are using olive oil? Olive oil adds in flavor and helps to soften our dough. Then it's time to combine both our ingredients. First pour half of our wet mixture. Then combine it very well. Once combined, I'm gonna pour rest of my mixture and continue mixing. Now it's the fun part. You're gonna use your hands to mix in and get all the crumbs from the sides. Once combined, it will be soft and squishy. We are going to use this straight away. The best part is you don't need to let it rise because there is no yeast. Sprinkle a generous amount of flour onto your kitchen counter. Place your dough on top of that and roll out using a rolling pin. Your kids will enjoy rolling out this pizza dough. Since we are making mini pizza dough, we are not worried about getting the dough into good round shape. Using a round cookie cutter, cut out the dough. This will be the base for our mini pizza. Take out the extra dough and you can re-roll it and make extra pizzas out of it. Poke our pizza dough with a fork. Why we are doing this is to stop the air bubbles to come up. If you don't poke the dough, it might rise up creating an uneven layer of pizza. I'll be baking these mini pizzas in both ways, using oven and using pan. You can pick any of these baking process. If using oven, preheat your oven at 220 degrees, then bake the pizza crust for about 1 minute. This allows the crust from getting soggy and crisp up in the final baking. Now spread out your pizza sauce. I use store-bought sauce. If you have homemade sauce, you can go with that. For the topping, I used chopped onions, shredded mozzarella cheese, tricolor bell pepper to get the vibrant look, chopped sausages, and finally some dried oreganos. Now it's time to spread our topping onto our pizza. You can use any kind of topping you like. I used the ones that I came in handy. place circular sausages on top of the pizza to get a beautiful look. We're gonna bake these gems at 220 degrees for about 3 minutes. And if you're using pan, you need to cook the pizza base on medium flame for about 2 minutes. Flip over and cook the other side as well. Place our prepared mini pizza in the pan. On low flame, cook the pizza for about 5 minutes with a lid on. Mini pizza is ready. It's tender, fluffy and crispy. Once our mini pizzas cool down, use a skewer and insert the pizza. Do it with the rest of our mini pizza. Our mini pizza pops are ready.
If you are already subscribed my channel, thanks a lot for subscribing. And if you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and click the bell. I'll be posting new videos every week. And if you like to see more of my videos, please search for Tales of Treats.